everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this problem, I'm going to show you how to solve this. So the question asks, the figure below shows four named points A, B, C, D on a grid generated by two vectors V1, V2 in R square. So the question in part one is asking, write each point as sum of scalar multiples of V1 and V2. Enter V1 for V1 and V2 for V2. So they're saying to write each point as a scalar multiples of V1 and V2. So you can see this one here, V1 and V2, and the arrow sign is going. So how you're gonna find A? So to find this A, what you have to do, you have to think this as a graph. So if I think this as a graph like this, V1 going to the x-axis and V2 is y-axis, then it's gonna be like this. So to go to point A, this is 1 in the graph, 1 on the x-axis. So on the x-axis is going 1 V1, and on the y-axis is going 1, 2, 3, 4. So the V2 is my y-axis, so it's 4 V2. So 1 is going on V1 and 4 is going to V2. What about B? For B, you can see this line is -1 for V1. So B is equal to -1 V1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 V2. And for C, you can see I'm going -1, 2, 3 on the x-axis. So it's -3 V1. And I'm not going on y-axis, so it's 0. So I don't have V2. What about D? For D, you can see like this. Graph is going like this. So it's 1, 2. So 2 V1 and then 1, 2, 3. So it's going y-axis downward. So it's -3 V2. So let's check with our answers. So I said my A is this one, 1 V1 plus 4 V2. When I check is, see, A is 1 V1 plus 4 V2, and my B is -1 V1 plus 5 V2. My C is -3 V1, and my D is 2 V1 minus 3 V2. If I erase them, you can see more properly. So this one is my part one. Now we're gonna move to part two. To do part two, you have to have the answers on part one. So in part two, they're saying to find AB. So we have AB. So to find AB, what we have to do, the formula is AB vector is equal to B minus A. So to find this, what we have to do, my B is -1 V1 plus 5 V2 minus A. A is 1 V1 plus 4 V2. So if I get rid of the parentheses, plus 5 V2 minus 1 V1 minus 4 V2. So now I'm gonna have this one and this one is same. So -2 V1 and then plus V2 minus V2 is gonna give me +1 V2. So this is my answer for AB. Next, move to the second one. So let me erase that part. So now they're asking me how to do BA minus CA. So this is same as AB. What do you have to know now that if I have something like BA, so to find this, what I have to do is the reverse, A minus B, not B minus A minus B. To get CA, I have to do A minus C, just like this one, and this one. So my BA, let's solve BA first. So my BA is A minus B So if it's A minus B, what is my A? 1v1 plus 4v2 minus plus 1v1 minus 5v2. So it's going to be equal to 2v1 minus 1v2. And then now we're going to find CA. My CA is A minus C. So I'm going to have A minus C. So let me draw it here. A minus C, my A is 1v1 plus 4v2. And then my negative C is my this one. So it's going to be positive 3v1 equal to 4v1 plus 4v2. And then now I have to do this one minus this one. So if I do VA minus CA, it's gonna be 2v1 minus 1v2 minus 4v1 minus 4v2. So it's gonna be equal to 2v1 minus 4v1 is gonna get me minus 2v1. And then this is gonna be minus 4v2 minus 1v2 is gonna get me 5v2. So this is how I solve this part. So I hope you guys understand how to solve the rest of them. Rest of them are same exactly. You have to use the same method I have used and you will be able to solve them. So if you like my video and it was really helpful to solve your assignment or homework, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. See you in my next video.